Well, it gets its name from two of the companies very involved in its creation, because underneath this is the floor pan and mechanicals of a Volkswagen Beetle. But Ghia styled the body, and Karmann produced the bodies. Hence, the Karmann Ghia, or the sporting iteration of the Volkswagen body.
You know, that's controversial. A fellow named Virgil Exner, we might remember for Chrysler's style forward, but he did a thing called the Elegance. In fact, Barrett-Jackson sold one of those maybe 6 years ago in Scottsdale. The Elegance was a heavy-powered rear-wheel drive show car. Sort of think of it as a 12-10 scale Karmann Ghia. Well, Virgil, was given a free Karmann Ghia when these things came out in 1956. Perhaps as a little kiss on the cheek from Karmann and Ghia, who created this design, Fred.
Nothing new in Detroit. Chuck Jordan, head of GM styling for many years, cribbed a lot of Ferrari styling cues, and this happened back and forth across the pond and even to the Orient. If you see a good idea, see if you can make use of it. But yes, this owes a lot of its design to the Elegance.
And Chrysler worked very closely with Ghia on a lot of their 50 show cars, the K10, that kind of stuff. So it was probably a willing sharing. It didn't wind up in court, that's for sure. We know that much.
Look at the tiny exhaust pipes. I don't think you'd get a quarter in there, but that's factory stock, right?
This does have front disc brakes, and that was something you'd find on 71 through 74 Karmann Ghias. Again, 56 through 74, a long run, virtually no changes to the exterior, with little things like lights and bumpers, of course, but largely the design was unchanged.
We always think of Get Smart and Maxwell Smart driving a Sunbeam Tiger. Well, there were 2 seasons where a Karmann Ghia was used at the beginning of the season. You never really drove it during the episodes, but the Karmann Ghia was used during the opening scene. So it's a Maxwell Smart car. $11,500 for a 1972 VW Karmann Ghia. We're going to take a break. We'll come right back.